Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me and today we're going to be opening some fidget toys today from 5 and Below. So yeah. So the things that we got was a mochi with some slime. Woo! And the next thing I got a bucket of mochis. Woo! Look how many there are. And a ball of mochis. Spinner. And puppets. Got 3 puppets. So this one is a hand. It's a hand and it's pink. So oh my gosh. Okay, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, this one's probably my favorite. Probably. I got this one that's pink, blue, and orange. This is how it looks like. Like that. Sorry. And a fidget spinner. Which they usually call it a toy spinner, but it's actually a fidget spinner. So, okay, guys. So the first thing that we're going to be opening is obviously a puppet. So I don't know which one. You know what? I'll do the hand. So see you when it's opened. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Oh my gosh, so it's the size of my hands, but like a little bigger, you know, like a little. I can pop this with my whole entire hand. I can put my hand there and just pop in very quick. But no, that won't work. So yeah, that won't work. But now let's do the popping. Look at this. This is the quiet side, obviously. Now this one. Okay, now the loud side. I hope it's loud. Oh, yes. Wait, I haven't done that. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Did you guys see that? Oh, that was so cool. That's so satisfying too. So the satisfying part is obviously the loud side, not the quiet one. It has to be the loud side. Bouncy, bounce, bouncy, bounce. Okay, guys, so let's go to the next thing. Okay, guys, so let's do a fidget spinner. Let's do the fidget spinner. I really want to try it. So let's open it. Whoa. Come on, open. Okay. It is so... Wait. These things roll! So this is a fidget spinner. These things roll! Look, I'm not joking, look. Look here. It actually... Oh, that is so cool. When is it gonna stop though? When are you gonna stop? Okay, it's getting lower and lower, so I think it's gonna stop. Almost done. Okay. I love this fidget spinner. It's so cool. Warning about fidget spinner. When it's spinning, do not put your finger. So, here's the cute packaging. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Look at all those blind bags, guys. Oh, they're so squishy. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like to open this one first. Let's open it. So I do have my handy scissors. I thought that was yellow. I already have this one, but it's soft. Oh, it's so cute. That is so cute. Okay, I have a feeling to open this one too, because it feels big. I wonder what it is. I always wonder what. Oh! I finally got one of those! Now I can rub its belly. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, 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 rub. Rub, rub, rub its belly. Oh, look at this. Beep, beep, beep. Boing, boing, boing. Boop, boop, boing. Let's open this one now. Oh my gosh, this is a pretty... This is so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. It's a deer. It's a deer, guys. Let's open this one now. Oh, it's another blue one. I hope it's not another one of those. Oh, cross. I don't know if this is a bear or a mouse. I don't know, but it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and they're also very, very fluffy. Okay, this is the gigantic one. Why didn't I plan to open this one first? This one's gigantic. What color is it? First, I need to see the... It's white? No. These are one of my favorites. The little pop. I've seen this one before. It's so cute. Oh my god. I finally have a pink. But I got a pink one. Isn't that so cute? I know it was big. Cause it is big. Okay. Let's open something else. With the mochi. Let's open it. Oh look, the mochi jiggles. I think this is slime. Why is it sticky? It's sticky. It's sticky. Okay, I have another one of these. I can rub its belly. Oh, now I have two then. Rubby. But this one's sticky and it's just one. It's glittery! Guys, it's glittery! Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh, this is slime. But why is it so sticky? Wait, what? Look at it. It sticks everywhere. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's just open this right now. Because why not? Wow, look at that. Oh, breaks instead of stretches. It doesn't stretch, it breaks. Breaks into two pieces. It smells a little funky, not that much. Not that much. It's so cute color though. So, yeah, I like the mochi, but it's sticky. I don't know why. I got this gigantic bucket of mochi. I don't think we should do that one right now. Should we or should we not? Not right now. Let's do a puppet. Let's open this one. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. This is the quiet side. In the middle. Boop. That's the loud side. I love this puppet. Oh my god, a little puppet of mochi. So I saw some videos of people like hiding mochis in their neighborhood. Okay guys, so my mom helped me open them. So she opened it. Why is there three dinosaurs, 3 pandas, 3 bunnies, 3 hedgehogs? There's 3 of everything. That's weird. And kind of cool at the same time though. So let's open the dinosaurs. They look so cute. Okay. I almost forgot I have my handy scissors. Oh, look at the dinosaur. Squish, squish. This one's kind of sticky too. Well, this one's really the one that sticks to every single thing. Too cute. They're cuter than every single one of these. Okay, so let's open the bunny. Whoa. Oh, the ears are so stretchy. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna keep it as a pet. Ow. I'm gonna keep all of them as a pet. Hi guys, my name is Ruby Rabbit. I love being a friend. And let's open the rest. I want to do this hippo. No, this penguin. Yeah, let's do the penguin. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's very squishy. Hi. I want some water and ice. Can you please give me some for breakfast tomorrow? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's do the pandas. Why does it look like that? Their eyes are so down. They're so low. It has a big forehead and head. What? It's kind of soft though. It's soft. This one's soft. Squishy. Mochi. Purple. Sparkly. Puppet. It's so glittery. Okay, you guys can't see it, but yeah. Okay. Let's pull outside. They're kind of hard to pop. It's kind of hard to pop it. See? It's kind of hard. Let's see this one. The outside. This one is not that hard, but it kind of is. Next is the fidget spinner. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because it is a fidget fidget spinner. So you can like roll these and it's a fidget spinner. Like, that's so cool. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Why not? Okay, next are the hedgehog mochis. I'll give them a 10 out of 10 because they are so cute and it has like texture. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because it's one that's a belly rubber and like it can stick on the table and like it lets me rub its belly without it moving. So yeah, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And also because it's so cute. I'll give it like an 8 out of 10 because it's a girl. And also it's kind of because like the head is like, yeah, that's why I give it an 8 out of 10. So now I got this cute paw print. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's too cute. Boop. Next are the penguins. I'll give them a 10 out of 10 because they are so cute. Next, the deer. 10 out of 10. Too cute. And I love deers. The dinosaur ones. 10 out of 10. Again, too cute. I love mochis. Next is the mouse. I'll give it a 4 out of 10 because I don't know what this is. And it's not that cute. Next are the bunnies. I'll give them a 10 out of 10 because they are so cute. And their ears are like so long and stretchy. Like, oh my gosh, yeah, it's 10 out of 10. Next are the hippos. 10 out of 10 because I like the way how they're like laying down right now. That is so cute, so 10 out of 10. Next are the pandas. I'll get it a 2 out of 10 because they have a big forehead. So. Next, the last mochi is the other rabbit. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because it's so cute and I love rubbing its belly. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because I love poppets and this one is easier to pop. And I'll also give the hand a 10 out of 10 too because it's so cute and it's like bigger than my hand actually. This last thing is the slime. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because I love slime and it's one of my favorite colors and it's glittery and it's never touched a book but it's covered. So I hope you guys had a fantastic fidget day. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified. Bye!